Interested in trading with Moneta Markets? Then this video review is for you. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. With over 80 Forex brokers tested this year alone, we truly know what defines a top-notch broker. Moneta Markets has only been around since 2019, but can they compete with the big players in the industry? We've spent hours testing them to answer all the key questions. Is Moneta Markets safe to trade with? Are their trading fees and spreads competitive? Do they offer a diverse range of tradable instruments? We'll also take you on a live tour of their trading platforms and highlight all the unique features that you need to know. And finally, we'll share our honest opinion on Moneta Markets and break down their pros and cons. Let's dive in. Here is a quick overview of Moneta Markets. Founded in 2019, Moneta Markets is headquartered in Dubai. They have 4 global entities. 3 of them are regulated by mid-tier authorities, while 1 remains unregulated. With Moneta Markets, you can trade over 1,000 instruments across global asset classes using platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as their proprietary Pro Trader and App Trader. Now the main question remains, is Moneta Markets the right choice for you? Let's take a closer look and find out. Now, quick note, if you're interested in checking out Moneta Markets for yourself, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. First, let's explore the trading platforms offered by Moneta Markets. Moneta Markets delivers a solid range of trading platforms that cater to different trading styles and experience levels. For beginner traders, the proprietary Pro Trader platform is a great place to start. Powered by TradingView charts, this web platform is not only user-friendly, but also versatile, with features like one-click trading and market depth. It's intuitive enough for those starting out, but still offers tools that more experienced traders will appreciate. Now, if you prefer trading on your phone, Moneta's App Trader mobile app is also designed with ease in mind. The app is lightweight, easy to navigate, and includes actionable trading signals that you can trade directly from your phone. Now, for intermediate and advanced traders, Moneta Markets offer both MT4 and MT5. Plus, the broker provides an enhanced version of MetaTrader with its Alpha Generation plugin, which includes additional indicators and advanced tools to elevate your trading experience. Now, if you're an algorithmic trader, Moneta Markets offers a free VPS service to help you run automated strategies smoothly without having to worry about downtime. The broker also offers extras like the Copy Trader app for copying trade on the go, along with access to premium market research and trading signals from Trading Central. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary trading platform, MT4, and the App Trader. Now, first, we'll do a walkthrough of the flagship Pro Trader platform from Moneta Markets. The web-based platform is well-designed and has an intuitive, beginner-friendly interface. Now, there are 3 main panels here: charts, watch lists, and account manager. Robust charting from TradingView features over 100 technical indicators and trading from the chart. The platform is highly customizable. Charts can be enlarged and tiled to suit your preference. From the watch list area here, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments and also stay on top of the latest news stories. From the vertical menu on the right here, we can pull up the order ticket, and we can see that it's possible for traders to access market, limit, and stop loss orders. We can also see that it's possible to apply time and force conditions to pending orders. And finally, in the account manager area right here at the bottom, you can track the live P&L of your open positions, your pending orders, and your history of trades. Now let's do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform offered by Moneta Markets. So the interface is made up of 4 main panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can view a watch list showing the live prices of your favorite instruments. And if you double click an instrument, you can pull up the order ticket, and you can also drag an instrument over to view its chart. From the Navigator panel, you can alternate between different accounts and access custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. Now, funded account holders have access to the Alpha Generation custom indicators, which provide actionable trade ideas. MT4 offers a robust range of over 60 technical indicators and drawing tools. One-click trading and trading from the chart are both available, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. And I especially like that you can tile your charts and view multiple markets right at once. And finally, at the bottom of the platform here, you can track the live P&L of your positions, your history of trades, and market news. And you can do things like set price alerts to be notified when an instrument reaches a specific price level. And here we have the Monitor Markets mobile app. Under the Trades tab, we have our watch list, and you can tap on an instrument to pull up its chart. We've also got open trades, pending orders, and analysis related to that instrument in this area, along with an economic calendar. You can buy or sell from the chart, so let's go ahead and place an order. And from the Orders tab, you can track the live P&L of your open positions, your pending orders, and your history of trades. Under the Discover tab, we have a great range of research tools, including a 24/7 news feed, an economic calendar, market analysis, and we've even got video commentary from third-party Trading Central. As Monitor Markets offers a great selection of trading platforms and tools, it scored a solid 4.8 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Now let's get to a factor that every trader cares about: how competitive are the brokers' trading fees? To answer this question, we tested Monitor Markets' spreads on various instruments using its direct STP CFD account during peak trading hours in the London and New York sessions. Our conclusion? Let's take a look at the numbers. Now, first we noticed that spreads on Forex pairs were higher than the industry average. So if you're a short-term Forex trader, the direct STP account might not be the best fit. However, Monitor Markets offers Prime and Ultra ECN accounts with much lower spreads, though these come with a commission per trade. The Ultra ECN account also requires a higher minimum deposit, but Monitor Markets' spreads prove to be highly competitive across other asset classes, including commodities, stock indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. We were especially impressed with the spreads on stock indices like the Dow Jones 30, which were half the industry average. We also found that the swap fee, the cost of holding a trade overnight, was low to average. So, if you're a long-term trader, this is something to keep in mind. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Monitor Markets doesn't charge inactivity fees, and there are no handling fees for deposits or withdrawals, which helps keep your overall trading costs down. Now, considering everything, we gave Monitor Markets a strong 4.4 out of 5 for fees. Monitor Markets is still a relatively new broker, founded in 2019, so it's natural to wonder, can you really trust them with your money? Let's take a closer look at their regulation and safety practices. Monitor Markets operates 4 global entities. 2 are licensed by Tier 2 regulators, the FSCA in South Africa and the SCA in the United Arab Emirates. Now, another is regulated by a lower tier regulator, the FSA in Seychelles. Finally, 1 entity based in St. Lucia remains unregulated. So, what does all this mean for you as a trader? Firstly, all entities state they hold client funds in segregated accounts. This is really important as it means your money stays separate from the company's funds, ensuring your capital is protected and accessible. All 4 entities also offer negative balance protection. This means you won't end up owing more than you invested if the market takes a sudden downturn. Your account balance won't dip below 0. Another important protection measure is a compensation scheme. Unregulated entities and those regulated by lower tier authorities aren't legally required to be part of these schemes, which protect your funds in case the broker becomes insolvent. This means if the broker goes under, your money could be at risk. Monitor Markets does provide private insurance though, but only for 2 of its 4 entities, offering a bit more protection there. Now, on a positive note, the broker follows a best execution policy, which is a legal obligation to give you the best available price under market conditions. However, it's important to be cautious, especially with the unregulated entity. It offers less protection for your funds. So, where does this leave us? Monitor Markets does take steps to protect clients' funds, but the lack of Tier 1 licenses, the presence of an unregulated entity, and limited access to private insurance lower their overall score. That's why we gave them a 2.8 out of 5 in the trust category. And finally, does Monitor Markets offer a decent selection of markets to trade on? We were impressed by their selection with over 1,000 tradable instruments to choose from. This includes 62 Forex pairs, 23 commodities, 28 stock indices, 51 ETFs, 47 cryptocurrencies, 7 bonds, and more than 835 share CFDs covering the US, EU, and UK. Across the board, Monitor Markets beats the industry average in every asset class. The number of 28 stock indices is especially impressive, considering most brokers only offer 5 to 10. With such a wide range of tradable instruments to suit all types of traders, Monitor Markets scored a solid 4.7 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. In just a moment, we'll reveal our verdict on Monitor Markets, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders. Over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year, and this gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So, the big question, is Monitor Markets the right broker for you? Let's recap. Founded in 2019, Monitor Markets is still relatively new, but operates through 4 global entities. All of them offer essential protections like negative balance protection and segregated client funds. They also provide access to over 1,000 tradable instruments covering all major asset classes: Forex, commodities, stock indices, shares, bonds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. When it comes to trading platforms and tools, Monitor Markets really shines. You've got a feature-packed proprietary web platform, a user-friendly mobile app, enhanced MetaTrader tools, a copy trading app, a free VPS service for automated strategies, and research from Trading Central. Besides, Monitor Markets' spreads are highly competitive and much better than the industry average for commodities, cryptos, stock indices, and share CFDs. But there are a few things to watch out for. We found that the spreads on Forex pairs with the direct STP accounts are higher than the industry average. However, they can be lower with one of their ECN accounts, though these charge a commission per trade. There's also the matter of fund protection. Only 2 of Monitor Markets' global entities offer private indemnity insurance, which adds an extra safety net in case of insolvency. Plus, the offshore unregulated entity offers limited protection, so it's something to keep in mind. So, with these pros and cons in mind, who is Monitor Markets best suited for? Monitor Markets is a perfect match for social and copy traders. They've built their own app where you can copy other traders, or you can connect your MetaTrader account to the Zulu Trade copy platform. It's also a strong choice for scalpers and automated traders, thanks to fast execution speeds below 5 milliseconds and access to a free VPS for low latency trading. With low spreads on most asset classes, it's a good option for casual traders, swing traders, and day traders. While Monitor Markets isn't suitable for investors due to the lack of real stocks, those trading share CFDs benefit from zero commissions on US stocks. In our evaluation, we awarded Monitor Markets an overall score of 4.4 out of 5, marking its offering as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about Monitor Markets, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.